Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Now Speaks, and in today's lesson I'm going to share with you a little bit on statistics and also how to calculate the central tendency. So basically, statistics is a form of mathematical analysis using quantifiable models or formulas to help us generate some predictions or even analysis so that we can actually understand the data more and eventually can use this analysis for future predictions, especially in businesses. Of course, we are not going to go so deep today. We are not going to do the analysis part. We are just going to learn the three simple central tendency measurements, which is known as the mean, median and mode, how to calculate them, giving some few examples of data. So basically that's what we are going to learn today. Okay, so before we start to give the formula on what is mean, mode and median, let's try and understand the definition of these three terms. So mean basically means the average of a particular data set. So how do you calculate the average or the mean? You simply add all the values of the available data set and divide by the total number of data that you have. Now let's take a look at this values here. We have 3, 7, 2, 4. How many data do you have? 4. Okay, and the values are 3, 7, 2 and 4, right? So add up all the values, meaning to say we want to find the sum. So the sum of 3, 7, 2 and 4 add up together, that will be 16. And how many numbers do you have again? 4. So 16 divided by 4, that will be 4. Therefore your average or your mean is 4. Okay, and then we go to median. So how do you find median? Median means the middle value of a particular data set. Quite easy to understand, right? Because it sounds almost similar, median, mean. Okay, so again, using the same data set, we have 3, 7, 2, 4. Now, don't forget, if you want to do median, then you have to arrange your data set in ascending order, okay, before you start finding the median or the middle value. Okay, so remember to arrange them in ascending order. So arranging them in ascending order, you have 2, 3, 4 and 7. Therefore the middle number will be between 3 and 4, and between 3 and 4 the answer is 3.5. Alright, and then we have mode. So what is the meaning of mode? Mode simply means the most frequent value that appears in the particular data set. So we see again the same data set that we have, 3, 7, 2, 4. No need to arrange in ascending order, but if you already have, it's fine. There are no modes in this data set because each number only appears one time. But if I switch this data set and I write 3, 7, 2, 4, 4. Now what is the mode? The mode will be 4. Why? Because this number 4 appears twice in the data set and every other number appears only once. Therefore the mode is 4. So let's look at another example now, where we have this set of data with 11 values in it. Okay, so you can see that these data are just randomly written. So I would suggest, before you even start to do anything, to rearrange the sets of data that you see each time in ascending order. Okay, some of you might ask, can I actually arrange them in ascending order? It's fine. Descending order and ascending orders are just opposite of one another in how you look at it, right? So no problem, you can always arrange them in descending order if you like to see things in descending order, because you use the same method anyway. Alright, so rearranging this data in ascending order will give you this pattern instead. So now we are ready to find the mean, median and mode. Okay, I think it's easier to find the mode first because I can see that the number 1 appears 4 times. Therefore it's very obvious that you have number 1 as your mode. And maybe some of you will ask, can I have more than one value as the mode? Yes, you can. If a particular value appears for the same number of frequency, then you will have 2 values of mode. Remember to write both the values down as your answers, okay? And the next thing is your mean. So again, your mean will be the sum of all the values divided by the number of values that you have in the data set. So summing up all the values of this data will give you 19 over total 11 of them. So you have 19 over 11. The number is not so nice, so you can actually keep your answer in 3 significant figures, which is 1.73 And last but not least, you have to find the median. So the median will be the middle answer, and therefore the middle value of this data set will be 1. And there you go, some examples and how to calculate mean, median, mode in statistics. Again, please make sure you try some questions by yourself. If you have any additional comments or topics that you would like me to show you, please feel free to comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you again and take care. Bye bye.